Okay. After that, we need to go with the next question. So the next question, it is asking the perimeter of the given figure is 18 meter and the area of the rectangular part ACEF is 8.5 square centimeter. Okay. The perimeter of this figure, complete figure, is given to us. Okay. The perimeter of the given figure is 18 meter. Perimeter, which means we need to add all the sides. And the area of the rectangular part, which is ACEF, is given to us 8.5 square meter, which is this. This part is given to us 8.5 square meter. Find the length and the breadth of the rectangular part respectively. We need to figure out the length and the breadth of the rectangular part. Okay, the perimeter is entire perimeter is given to us, which means all the sides we need to add. Okay, so when we are going to add all the sides, so let's start from here. So this is what 1 whole 1 by 2. Let's 1 whole 1 by 2 we can write as 3 by 2 plus this side. This side is 2 whole 2 whole 1 by 2. So that gives us what, 5 by 2. Okay, this side gives us 3 3 is a 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. Okay, this side gives us 4 1 the 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. This side gives us 3 1 the 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. This side is not given to us. We can mark it as FE only. Okay, this side is what, 1 whole 3 by 4. That gives us what, 4 1 the 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Okay, so all the sides we have included this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and this sum is what, equals to 8.5. Okay. Now when we are solving this, so the LCM of 2, 3, 4, we will be getting as 12 only. So now we are going to get 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30. Okay, 4 11s are 44, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 7 3s are 21 plus FE is equals to what, 8.5. Okay, so when we are going to add all of them together, which is 80, 30, 44. Okay, when we are going to add all of them like this, we will be getting, and then 15 we do have, then 20, and then 21, we will be getting 108, and 108 when we are going to divide by 12, we will be getting as 9. Okay, so 9. So 9 plus FE is equals to what, 8.5. So the length of FE we will be getting as 9 minus 8.5. So that we are going to get as 0.5, 0.5. Which we can write as 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, so this 1 whole 3 by 4 we have taken as 4 1 the 4 plus 3, 6, 7 by 4. Okay, this word 1 whole 1 by 2 we have taken as 3 by 2, 5 by 2. This particular length we have taken as 11 by 3. This we have taken as 5 by 4. This we have taken as 5 by 3. Okay. Now the LCM of 2, 3, and 4 we are going to get as 12. So 2 in the table of 2, 12 comes 6 times. 6 3s are 18. In the table of 12 comes 6 times. 5 6 are 30. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are, then 3 4s are, okay, and this 4 3s are 21. So when we are going to add all of them together, 830 plus 18 plus 44 plus 15 plus 20 and plus 21. The sum we are going to get as 148. Here we are getting 148 by 12. And when we are dividing 148 by 12, we are getting 12 whole 4 by 12, which means 1 by 3. Okay, so the length of FE we will be getting as 8.5 minus this thing. It is not possible actually. The perimeter is 18 meter, na? And the area of the rectangle. Okay. So the perimeter is 18 only, na? So we need to subtract it from 18. Yeah. So that it is correct only. The perimeter is 18. So 18 minus 148 by 12 we need to do. Okay. So 18 minus 148 by 12, we will be getting it as 216 minus 148 by 12, and 216 minus 148, we will be getting it as 68 by 12. Okay, 68 by 12, we can simply write it as 5 whole 8 by 12. Okay, and this 8 by 12 we can write as 2 by 3. 5 whole 2 by 3. Okay, this is the length of the FE we are getting. So if FE is this, so this will also remain the same, and the area of the rectangle is given to us. Okay, area of rectangle is length into breadth only. So length is what FE we can take, and breadth CE we can take. Okay, area is what 8.5. 8.5 is equals to FE is what 68 by 12 times CE. So the length of CE we need to figure out. So that would be what 8.5 times 12 by 68. That we need to do since we need to divide it. So okay. So what we are going to get, we will be getting 8.5 times 12 over here, and the entire thing we need to divide by 68. When we are doing it, we will be getting 1.5. Okay. So the length of C we are going to get this, and this we are getting as 1.5. We can write it as this. So option B, 5 whole 2 by 3 and 1 whole 1 by 2 will be our answer. Next question. In the next question, the map is given to us on the, graph is given to us. On the basis of graph, we are supposed to give the answer. Out of the total number of the students who opted for the given 3 subjects in the year 2009, 38% were the girls, and how many boys opted for the mathematics in the same year? Okay, so 38% were the girls out of the total students whomsoever are attempted. Out of that, the 38% of the number are girls only. Okay, so now it is saying that how many boys opted for the mathematics in the same year. Since if we are going for this, what we need to do now, we need to figure out the total number of the students who present over here and how many boys opted for the mathematics in the same year. So on the basis of that, if we need to figure out about the boys, so yeah, all the informations are not given to us correctly over here. So we are not able to complete it. So option D can't be determined will be the correct answer. What is the average number of the students who opted for the mathematics in all the years together? Okay, what is the average number of the students who opted for the mathematics in all the years together? So if we are going to figure out all the numbers, average number of the students who opted for the mathematics, so that will be what we need to add all of them together. Okay, we need to find their sum together, and after finding their sum, we need to divide like how many are present over there. So if we are going to do that, we will be getting our answer as 20,000. Option A, 20,000, we are going to get as our answer. Now the next. So next is what? Find the value of A plus D. Okay, we need to divide it by C, and after that we need to add B. Okay, so if we are going to do that, so A plus D we will be getting. Okay, so the value of A from this, if we are going to figure out, so that is what? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5.6 minus 5.6 is the A. D is 0.4. C is minus 2.6. Okay, plus B is minus 4.4. Okay, yes. Now we need to solve them. So minus 5.6 plus 0.4. Okay, that gives us 5.2 minus 5.2. 5 minus 2.6. Minus got cancel out. And if we need to divide this 5.6 by 5.2 by 2.6, we will be getting what? 2. Okay, and minus 4.4 is also there. So 2 minus 4.4, that gives us what? 2.4 as our answer, minus 2.4. So option B will be our answer. Next question. So in the next question, what is given to us? Like PQR and MQR. Okay, PQR and MQ are on the same base. QR. Okay, both are on the same base only. PQ and MR are equal. PR and MQ are equal in the given figure. And which of the following gives a congruence relationship? Okay, out of the given option, which is giving, which of the option giving us the congruence relationship over here? Okay, so if we are going with this PQR congruent to MQR, PQR congruent to MQR. Okay, since PQ is equals to what? MR. If PQ is equals to MR, then Here, if we are going with this statement, so PQ should equals to MQ only. So that is not correct, but that is not given in the question. So option A is wrong. Here, if we are going with this option, so PQ should equals to RQ, but PQ is equals to PQ is equals to MQ only. So that is not correct. That is also wrong. If we are going with the third option, that PQ is equals to MR. Okay. Here in the question, PQ is equals to MI. Yes, that is correct only. Okay. PR is equals to MQ. PR is equals to MQ. That is also correct. So option C is the correct option. Now here. So if the shaded cubes are removed, okay, we are going to remove all the shaded cubes, then which solid will be obtained? If we are going to remove this part, the shaded part, then which solid will be obtained? Okay, so we need to remove it like this only. Okay, so if we are going to look closely all the options, so yes, we can clearly see option B will be the correct answer what we are going to get. So option B. Next, here we need to solve for x only. Now it is given to us like AB raised to the power minus 1 entire raised to the power 2x minus 1. BA raised to the power minus 1 raised to the power x minus 2. Okay, so if we are going to solve it, so we will be getting AB raised to the power minus 2x plus 1 will equals to BA, or simply since the power is minus 1, we can reciprocate as well. Okay, and then also we can solve it, or we can solve it like this as well. Okay, this will gives us minus x plus 2. So this is AB and this is BA, both are same only. Okay, so we are getting minus 2x plus 1 is equals to minus x plus 2. So minus 2x plus x will equals to 2 minus 1. So we are going to get minus x is equals to 1. So x is equals to what? The value we are going to get as 1 only. So option A is gonna be our correct answer. Okay, option A will be our correct answer. Next. Next question is the ratio of the RAM saving to his expenditure is 5:2 and that of the mono is 4:3. Okay, the ratio of the RAM savings to his expenditures, the ratio of the savings to the expenditures is given to us, which is 5:2. Okay, and the ratio of the RAM savings to that of the mono is given to us 4:3. So if the RAM's expenditure is 1/3 of the mono's expenditures, okay, RAM's expenditures is for 1/3 of mono's expenditures. Okay, and the sum of their expenditures, which means the RAM's expenditures plus the mono's expenditures. That gives us what? 3,000. Then we need to find the salaries of the RAM and the mono. Okay. So the ratio of the RAM's expenditure is already given to us. The ratio of the RAM's saving to the expenditure is given to us, which is 5:2. Okay, so if we are going with this, so we can clearly see the savings and the expenditures together. If we are going to make, so that gives us what? The total income of the RAM. Okay, and since here the total income is not given to us, but still we can solve this question. Okay, so since the expenditures of RAM is given to us and the expenditures of mono is given to us. Okay, so since we already know one of the relation is already given to us in the question, that the RAM's expenditure is 1/3 of the mono's expenditures, correct? That is already given to us, no? So what we can do, and the RAM's expenditures plus mono expenditure is 3,000. So RAM expenditures is 1/3 of the mono, no? So we can replace it with 1/3 of mono plus mono's expenditure is what? 3,000. Okay, so when we are going to solve it, so we will be getting mono plus 3 times of mono by 3. When we are going to take it that side, it becomes 9,000. So 4 times mono's expenditure is equals to what? 9,000. So the mono's expenditure we will be getting as 9,000 by 4. So when we are going to solve it, we will be getting 2, 2. Okay, this we are going to get 2,250. Okay, so the mono's expenditure, what we are getting as? We are getting as 2,250. If mono's expenditure is 2,250, then RAM expenditure should be what? 1/3 of mono's expenditures to 1/3 of 2,250. So if we are going to solve it, we will be getting 750. Okay, so RAM's expenditure is for 750. Okay, so if RAM's expenditure is 750 and the savings and the expenditure ratio is already given to us, which is 5:2. Okay, so we can put it over there. Okay, so Ram's saving and the expenditure ratio is 5:2 only, na? So we can clearly figure it out, like total, like if we need to figure out the total income or the total savings of that, so that needs to be what? Whatever the Ram's expenditure is, so that is what the 5/2 of that. So saving by expenditure is given to us the 5/2. Expenditures we already know. Okay, so Ram's saving if we need to figure out. So that would be what? 5/2 times the expenditures, which is 750. So if we are going to solve it, we can cut it 5 times 375. And if we are going to solve it 5 times 375, so we will be getting it as hmm, yeah, so we are going to get it at 1875. Okay, we are getting it as 1875. Okay, so 1875 is what? The RAM saving. Okay. Now in the question, it is also given to us, and the RAM saving ratio to the Manu saving ratio, that is also given to us. Okay, so from that also we will be able to figure out the Manu saving as well. Okay, because the Manu saving to the expenditure ratio is given to us 4:3. So that will be if we are going to calculate. So since RAM saving we are getting this, so Manu saving if we are going to calculate with the same method, so we will be getting it as 4/3 times Manu saving. What we are getting is at the expenditures of the Manu. We will be getting is at 2,250. Correct. So we can put it over here. So when we are going to solve it, so the savings of the Manu, what we are going to get is 3,000. Now the question is asking find the salaries of the Rams and the Manu respectively. Now we knew the expenditures, we knew the savings as well. So let's calculate the salary. So if we are going to calculate the salary of Ram, so a salary of Ram we will be getting the expenditures of the Ram are we are getting 750 and the savings we are getting it as 1875. Okay, so the total we will be getting it as 2625. And if the salary of Manu we are getting, so the expenditures we are getting is 2250 and the savings we are getting at 3000. So the salary we will be getting is 5250. So the total salary of both of them, if we need to figure out the sum of both of them, so we will be getting it as 2625 and 5250 option B.